Hi. So I just wanted to share a quick post with regards to Newton Abbot Chamber of Commerce and the strategy day that they've asked me to host and to run. It's happening on the 19th of September, 9:30 till 3. We'll make sure that the details are in the post. The idea of the day, this is we ran a pilot session a few weeks ago, and it was really well received. So we're going again. Newton Abbot Chamber of Commerce are really keen to offer support to businesses in the local region and to its members. So whether you're a member or you're a business in the local region and just caught sight of this video, you are welcome to come along. It is complimentary, it's free. There'll be some refreshments through the day because we do go over the lunch period. We're not going to have a massive 3-course meal or anything of that, so don't get your expectations up too high. But what we are going to do is to help create clarity in the business. You know, there's no doubt that at the moment we're living in very challenging times, let's put it that way. And so the day is going to focus on how you can start to get your time back and focus on your business, maybe rather than being consumed in your business. So we'll look at productivity. We'll look at productivity and how it directly contributes to the profitability of your business. We're going to take a deeper look into sales and marketing and how they work in unison. You know, if we got good, strong marketing out there, a good marketing presence and effective marketing. So not just the case that we've got, great brand awareness, which is something we often hear about, but rather you have multiple channels that you are testing, measuring, and that are getting the results that you're looking for in your business. So I'm going to share some real insights as to how you can actually achieve that through an omni-channel presence. In addition to that, let's not forget traditional marketing and some of the aspects that you can do when you just stick a pin in the map and think, right, who are my neighbours and what business can I do locally? Sometimes we lose sight of that. We'll talk about team and we'll talk about systemization. You know, we've got to have good, strong systems in the business in order to make sure that a team can be as productive as possible. And the other thing on team as well is making sure that we've got a highly engaged, productive team. You know, so in today's challenging environment, how do you find great team players? How do you recruit them and how do you retain them? How do you avoid the trap of bringing people into the business that aren't a great fit? And so there's a whole series of strategies and processes that you can apply to your business in order to actually start to attract A players. In addition, I'm going to take a dive at numbers in terms of the financials of the business, an area that is often overlooked and one which is really quite challenging for so many business owners, and not through ignorance but through busyness, and through a level of interference and the fact that I might have an accountant and they're doing the heavy lifting for me. But if you understand how your numbers and how money moves through a business, the planning that you can put in place is way more effective. And so you can set budgets for growth. You can set goals for revenue and profitability. Look, if you're a business owner and any of these issues that I've talked about resonate with you, then come along to the day. We're doing it at Kingdom Business Centre, and there are only 24 spaces purely because of the size of the room that we're using. There's a cinema suite on the top floor, and it can only take 24 people in the layout that we're presenting in. So get yourself booked on. Come along. If you've got any questions, DM me. Drop me a message. I'll gladly answer any questions you've got. The only investment for you is time. Time to come along and open up your mind to new opportunities, new challenges, new strategies, tactics, a different way of thinking maybe. And time to take away what we're going to actually share with you and apply it in your business. I really hope that you can come along. I'd love to see you on the day. And in the meantime, have a fantastic rest of your day, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.